Indian equity mutual funds witnessed an extraordinary surge in investor confidence as inflows jumped by 81% to reach a record-breaking 42,702 crore rupees in July 2025, marking the highest monthly collection ever and signaling strong retail investor participation in the equity markets despite global uncertainties. Systematic investment plan contributions reached an unprecedented rupees 28,464 crore, demonstrating that Indian investors are increasingly adopting disciplined investment approaches and building long-term wealth through regular monthly investments in mutual funds. Indian banks are now conducting enhanced due diligence on export financing as the new 50% tariffs imposed by the Trump administration threaten to severely impact Indian textile exporters, particularly from Tirupur, forcing financial institutions to reassess credit risks in export-dependent sectors. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman introduced a revised income tax bill in the Lok Sabha, bringing significant changes to India's taxation framework that will directly impact individual taxpayers, businesses, and investment strategies across the country. Tesla has officially launched its second showroom in Delhi Aerocity and announced that deliveries of the Model Y SUV, priced starting at nearly Rs 60 lakh, will commence in September, marking a significant expansion of electric vehicle options for Indian premium car buyers. Indian deal-making reached unprecedented levels in July with $16 billion worth of mergers and acquisitions across 227 transactions, reflecting strong business confidence and corporate expansion strategies in the domestic market. Global semiconductor giants Nvidia and AMD have agreed to an unprecedented arrangement where they will pay 15% of their China chip sale revenues to the US government in exchange for securing export licenses, a development that could impact global technology supply chains and Indian tech sector investments. Tata Group's retail arm Trent has introduced a new youth-focused fashion brand called Burnt Toast with its first store opening in Bengaluru, expanding the company's portfolio to capture the growing demand for affordable, trend-forward clothing among young Indian consumers. Vietnamese electric vehicle manufacturer VinFast has inaugurated its assembly unit in Thoothukudi, Tamil Nadu, representing significant foreign investment in India's electric vehicle manufacturing sector and creating new employment opportunities in the southern state. India's tax authorities are conducting a probe into global trading firm Jayant Street over possible misuse of tax treaty provisions, highlighting the government's increased focus on ensuring proper tax compliance by foreign financial institutions operating in the country. Futures and options trading volumes hit an 8-month peak in July despite the ban on YouTube advertisements for derivative products, indicating sustained retail investor interest in leveraged trading instruments and sophisticated investment strategies. Public sector banks are positioned to gain significantly from accelerated credit growth as the government implements policies to boost lending, with market experts predicting improved profitability and business expansion for state-owned financial institutions in the coming quarters. For a detailed discussion on your portfolio, please feel free to get in touch with your portfolio manager. We wish you a great weekend.